Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for your interest in our Karoq. This is a Karoq SE automatic in metallic petrol blue. Really nice car. The Karoq has won an award for being the best family SUV, 2021 What Car Award. Skoda do like to make very practical cars, and this Karoq's got a good sized boot for a middle-sized SUV, and this particular one also comes with a spare wheel which is unused. Good amount of legroom on these cars, but also headroom and shoulder room. This one has the carpet mats already included, and as standard, tray tables on the rear seats. From the driver's side, you can see very comfortable driver's position here, with lumbar support on the seats, adjustment to go up and down as well as backwards and forwards, carpet mats as mentioned before, auto lights, and this particular one has done under 10,000 miles. Nice big all-glass infotainment screen, and an automatic handbrake with automatic gearbox. So there you are. I do hope you like the car, and if you'd like to find out more about it, please give us a call or email us, and we'd love to help you. Our showroom number is 020 8686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.